See, 1924, first time Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi became the president of AICC, and the conference, AICC conference was held in Belgaum, so which was presided by Mahatma Gandhi ji. And from that point onwards, so he took very seriously, and in the name of Congress, he organized protests, rallies and movement against British rule. So it is a centenary celebrations. So that is why, to continue the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi, so we have organized this 100 years conference here.
So what will happen, sir? What exactly happened? What steps will be taken from here next?
See, party and the persons who are committed to the ideology of Gandhi, so we are decided, rather we are rededicating to the ideology of Gandhiji and to improve the country and to see that this country has to be secular and it has to be developed and all sorts of justice has to be available to each and every person of this country. That is our goal.